So recently I was reading an article about a guy who's making over $4,000 per month on a website called Upwork. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can get started and make money on Upwork. And you can do it as a side hustle so you can start making some money on the side. Now, if you don't know what Upwork is, you will know what it is soon as I progress through this tutorial. Now, if you don't know what Upwork is, don't worry. I'm going to explain it to you in this tutorial and you will know exactly what Upwork is soon. Now, in this tutorial, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial showing you how you can make money on the Upwork platform. And to make money on Upwork, you won't need to have your own website or anything like that. We actually use the Upwork website to make money and do a side hustle. And you won't actually have to have any money to start this. There's some ways where you can use money or you don't have to use money if you don't want to. So that's really up to you. Now, there's a bonus in this video at the end, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. I'll show you how you can make even extra money with Upwork in this tutorial. Now, what can you expect from this guide? This is going to be a quick and easy 15-minute guide showing you how you can make money on a website called Upwork in this quick 15-minute guide, because I don't like to have really long guides. I like to have all of the information in the shortest videos possible so you can get everything that you need. And just a reminder, guys, my videos are for educational purposes only. I do these videos to show you what's working for others and what's working for me. There's no guarantee that you will get the same results, or there's no guarantee that you'll make money online at all. However, if you do want free videos like this every single week, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell so when my next video comes out. Let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money with Upwork. All right, guys, so the first step in this tutorial on learning how to make money on Upwork, we need to look at what Upwork is and what can you actually do on Upwork, just in case you have no idea what it is and you're a complete beginner. So Upwork is a platform where people can go and essentially be a freelancer. You can find jobs, you can make money on this website, and it's a really popular website, and it's even on the share market. It's a very trusted website. It makes a lot of money every single year. It's massive. So essentially what you can do is you can come to this website and you can either sign up as someone looking for a job, or you can sign up as someone who actually wants to provide work as a freelancer. This is probably the #1 site where you want to actually do this. So you can go and check out upwork.com if you haven't been there before, but you can essentially be a worker or you can hire somebody. But in this tutorial, we're going to concentrate on you trying to actually make money and finding jobs on this website. Now, what can you actually do on this website? Like what kind of things can you get a job in? You can do development, IT, creative design, sales, marketing, really anything. So if we go to, this is the website here real quick, so just a bit of an overview. But if we go to see all specializations, it should give us a list of, yeah, it does. Here's a list of all the stuff that we could find jobs in. There is a lot of stuff here, right? We've got graphic design down here somewhere, I think. We've got data entry. We've got Etsy administration specialist, eBay marketers. We have some like crypto stuff as well, graphic designers. You can find a job doing anything. So if you have any sort of skill that is like this or remotely close to any of these, you can come on this website and you can make money on Upwork. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video, is exactly how you can make money on Upwork. That is a trusted website online where you can make money by being a freelancer. Now, the next step to this tutorial is very simple. We need to do your portfolio. So this is kind of the next step. We need to sign up, do your portfolio and everything like that. So what you want to do is you want to go to Upwork and go to sign up. Once you go to sign up, follow the instructions and I'll show you what those look like right now. All right, guys, so when you create an account as a freelancer, you're going to be asked to create a portfolio before you can do anything else. Now, this is really important to get this right. Now, you can change it later if you don't have some of this stuff, but it's very important to get this right because this is what people are going to see when they check out your portfolio and stuff. So I'll kind of show you an example here. If we go to my other account here, I'm going to put in funnel, and we have like these funnel experts, right? So this person here, if we click on this, this is his portfolio. So this is what I would see when he is offering to do a job for me. Okay, this is like a resume. Like, you really want to get this right because this is how you're going to get jobs. This is how you're going to win jobs and get contracts. It's very important that you get this right. Now, you're not going to have any work history yet if you're brand new to this. There's a few things you might not have, like you might not have an actual portfolio yet, but I will explain to you how you can build up a portfolio in the next steps, okay? But this is what you're going to create. And the reason for this segment of the video is you really need to go and create stuff that's similar to the top people on Upwork, where you're not going to get any work, right? Now, I know it's hard to compete with people that have earned $100,000 and a massive success rate and stuff, but I'll show you how to kind of get a big success rate and all that in a minute. But you know, we know this works. Look, this guy's made $1 million on this platform, so we know that this works, okay? But yeah, you need to go and kind of have a look at these guys' portfolios, and you really need to put a lot of effort in here. This is what's going to get you the work. So what you need to do is you need to go through this. I'm not going to go through every single step here because it does explain itself quite easily, right? You've got your categories. So you simply just, you know, you can upload your LinkedIn profile. You could fill it out manually. So what services do you offer? What does say admin support? And a subcategory, data entry. So you've got a subcategory. Go to next. You've got what's your expertise, you know, data mining, Google Documents, data entry again, or data mining, data entry. Go to next. What's your expert level? I'm an intermediate. What's your education? I don't know, put in your school, right? Next. I also got to put something, I put skip this step. What's your employment? You know, do you work for someone? Skip the step. Language, skip the step. Hourly rate, put in how much you want to make. Okay. Really simple stuff. I'm going to skip this again. And then your title and overview, and then your profile photo, and then your location. So this is like you're trying to sell your services and products to people, right? So you need to make sure that you have a good professional overview of yourself, and then a profile photo, skip again, and then a location. A location is important because for me personally, I usually work with people in America, so I need to know where they're from. And then phone number, very straightforward. And once you've set this up, you've got your own profile and you can start looking for work. But it's extremely important that you get this right. And to do that, you could go and sign up with another account, or you could just skip all the steps until you get in here, and you can go and see what other people's profiles look like in your service and niche. You don't have to get it correct straight away because you are going to be missing things, because you're not going to have any work done yet. You are going to be missing things, but it's important that to try and do your best when starting, because the better you do it, the more money you're going to make. All right, guys, so the next step is quite important as well. And this is where a lot of people get it wrong and they don't succeed on Upwork, or they don't even get any sales. And this is kind of like the opposite of what you think you should be doing. But this is when you're starting, you might have to work for cheap or even free. You probably want to stick around the work for cheap, but let me explain. So when you start on Upwork, you're going to be quite little compared to everybody else. Like if we go down here, I saw someone before, where was it? Oh, so let's say this guy here, he's earned around $2,000. He's not that big compared to the people that have earned 100,000, 100,000, you know, 10,000, right? This person doesn't have the income here. But like if I'm scrolling for someone, I'm probably going to skip the guy that's made 2,000, and I'm probably going to go for the guy that's made 10,000 or 20,000 because they have more experience. It's just a natural human thing to go with someone that has more experience. So what you need to do, actually a $6,000 guy I've used before, but what you need to do is you need to kind of, sometimes it's better to have someone with the highest success rate. So there's two things you really need to focus on. There's a high success rate. I go for people that have 95 or more, and what you've earned, and then your portfolio. So if we click on this guy here, you'll see that he has these specific jobs that he's done for people. You're going to find it a little bit hard to get jobs if you're completely fresh to this. If you already have an Upwork account and you do make money with it already, you don't really need to worry about this. But what I would be doing is when I'm finding jobs, which we're going to talk about in a second, I would be finding the worst jobs that I don't want to do. Because the reason why you want to do that is because you've got a better chance of getting those jobs, and also apply for jobs that other people haven't applied for. But you're going to get a better chance of actually securing those contracts, doing the work, and then you can build up this portfolio. And then as you build up this portfolio of work history and this portfolio down here, so this is probably a bad example. Let me try to find a bit of a better portfolio for you. All right, so here's a good example, right? This guy has lots of work history. And if we go down, he has a really nice portfolio here of things that he's done. So are funnels that he's created for people. Okay, so these are the funnels that he's created for specific people, and this one here. So what I would be doing, now I'm not saying you're going to be a funnel creator, but let's just say for the sake of this video, you're a funnel creator. I would be going out and trying to get in as many funnel jobs as I can, and I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be undercutting everybody and getting them and doing it for the cheapest price possible for your clients to keep them happy. And the reason I'm going to do this is because I'm going to be building up this portfolio. I'm going to have a job history, and I'm going to have this proof of work, right? I never hire anybody unless they have proof of results or work that they've done. I will never hire anybody unless they have done that, okay? Or unless I'm getting a good deal, which a lot of the times I do go for people that are giving me a good deal because I know that they're new to the platform. And sometimes they can be the better people to work with. But you really want to be going out and finding jobs you can do for cheap, or even offering to do it for free for people. Sometimes that really is the best way because you can build up these portfolios a lot quicker. And then in the long run, it's better for you. Okay, so that's what you should be doing if you're brand new to this kind of making money online strategy. All right, so the next step is probably a pretty obvious one. We're going to talk about how to find jobs. This is very simple. You don't even actually have to be logged in to see the current jobs on the marketplace. So what you can actually do is you can go to find work, and you can do find work for your skills. Okay. Now, you should have your profile filled out, so it's going to kind of know what you want. But there's look at all of the jobs that you can apply for. Like if you have a skill in anything, like graphic design, anything, then this is something that you can do. There's so many options. Let's just go for example, I don't know, Amazon FBA specialist jobs. Okay, maybe you're an Amazon FBA specialist. You click on this job, and it's got all of these people that need work done. So we've got Amazon buyer accounts needed, expert level, 3 to 6 months duration. So you can really get some long-term stuff here, intermediate level. And all you do is you can go to see more, and you've got all of the it's essentially like a job offering. And then obviously you can log in and you can apply for this job. Okay. Now, when you apply, this is so important as well. Read what they actually write. I don't know how many times I will get jobs, right? Job offers. People applying for my jobs where they don't read anything in here. I'll ask for results, proof, and they don't send it. I'm going to ignore those people, and I'm never going to bother working with those people. You really need to focus on what the client wants from you. So you have to read all of this. You know, it's so easy to go and find jobs, but the problem is applying for jobs. If you don't do it right, you're not going to get the job. Okay. So let's click on this one here as well. They have all the information that you need to read over before applying for this job. It's so important that you actually read this information. Okay. And they have all the information down here. Now, another way that you can find jobs is people will actually invite you. So essentially, when these people start these jobs, they will get an option to invite people. You could potentially show up in there. You can't control that, but you could potentially show up in the invite section. Another way is to actually go to a website called Cura.com. This is a bit of a bonus in this video that I talked about. So if I put in funnel building, for example, people will be like, hey, what's the best funnel building software? You can actually go into these. This is people that are asking questions, and you can say, hey, like build up a little community in here, like build up a profile, because on your profile, right, you can actually have links, and you can have like links up here and stuff. Okay. And you can have links on your profile. Sorry, you can have your business. So he's got his business name, Break the Chains, or whatever he has there, right? On your profile. So I've got founder of Ecom Elites, but you can actually have your website on your profile. So if you become active in this community, and say let's say you're a funnel builder and people are interested in the best funnel building software, or can someone build me a funnel? People will click on your profile and they see that you're a funnel builder, and you could actually get work this way. And then if they contact you, you can say, hey, come and check me out on Upwork. I have a profile over there. We can get started. Okay. You've got to remember, this is a real business where you actually need to be involved with people. It's not like a lazy way to just go and make money. This is a job, right? This is a freelance job that you need to do to make money for yourself. Okay. So to find work, go to Upwork, go to find work, and you can find some work and you can apply for jobs, and you'll also randomly get invitations
sometimes. There is like categories for everything. And another way is you can go and be active on a website called Cura.com and get some views to your profile and have a website there linking to some sort of contact so people can contact you if they're interested in getting funnels built. Now, if you want some more free videos on how you can make money online, I will leave them up on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.